So starting off with PS Plus Essentials, the features you get are 2 downloadable games per month. You're gonna get exclusive discounts, exclusive add-ons. You're also gonna get cloud storage for your games. You'll also get the ability to use share play, online multiplayer access, which is important for a lot of people. And you're gonna get game help and a PlayStation collection if you're using this on a PS5. Now this all is gonna start off at $9.99 per month, or you can get it for $60 for the whole year. This basically stays exactly the same. This is what you're gonna migrate over to. If you're currently at PS Plus, you're gonna go over to Essentials. Now the next tier is called PS Plus Extra, and this is where you're going to get everything that you get in Essentials, but now they're sort of bundling some of those PS Now features, and this is what's gonna replace it, because now you're gonna get up to 400 games available to you from PS4 and PS5. They're gonna be downloadable to the console that you can play if you have the PS Plus Extra subscription, which is really cool, and then finally see them kind of put this together here. Now it's gonna start off at $14.99 per month or $99 per year, depending upon how you wanna pay things. And now for the top tier, which is called PS Plus Premium, Deluxe in some markets, but I'm mainly focused on US versions and pricing here with this. This gives you everything that I announced in Essentials and Extras, but now this sort of gives you some of that throwback, some of those classic gaming titles that you want to play, because this gives you access to additional 340 PS2 and PS1 games. It also gives you the ability to cloud stream these games as well too, so which is pretty cool, and you can be able to do that off for your PS4, PS5, and your PC as well. You're gonna get some time-limited game trials also offered in this tier as well too if you want to. So look at the premium as pretty much the all-encompassing PlayStation experience to get PS1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 if you have a PlayStation 5 games all in one. It starts off at about $17.99 per month and about $119 per year. Now obviously one thing to note here is that unlike with Xbox Game Pass, same day releases for AAA titles won't be available here with PlayStation's new PS Plus service. You're also, if you are a PS3 or PS Vita user and you try to sign up for new subscriptions with these, you're not gonna be able to do that through those consoles. You're gonna have to either use a PS4, PS5, desktop, PC, and mobile device to be able to sign up for it. Now, one thing that hasn't been quite discussed yet is if you already prepaid for your PS Plus subscription, and when June comes around and you're now over into the new tiers, and if you choose to want to get extra premium, will you just have to pay the difference, or you're gonna have to pay the full price and lose what you've already prepaid before? I doubt that's gonna be the case, but there isn't any official word on that just yet. But when there is, I'll be sure to update you guys as soon as I hear.